Hello and hi, my name is Muhammad Daniel Haikal bin Abdul Aziz and my numeric is C23B0788 and I want to talk about the creative portfolio for final project. Okay, we go through this is my previous work. This is the project 1. The title was Exploring the Principle of Theory and Technique of Photography. The first picture, the capture the building, and the second picture capture was the shutter speed. And the first picture is firstly I took the composition. In this project, I explore the basic principle of digital photography, namely composition, lighting, and the color theory. I conducted the research by reading articles and watching a video to gain a deeper understanding of how these three elements can enhance the quality of the image produced. As evidence of applying this principle, I selected a photo of architect taken under the bright sunlight. This image uses natural lighting entirely, where the bright daily highlight form the texture of the building. The sunlight creates the soft shadow that add dimension and emphasize the structure of the building. The composition, lighting, and the color theory used in the photo make it not only visually appealing but also capable of conveying mood and storytelling through the element applied. Second, we go to the shutter speed. This image demonstrates an effective application of the basic principle of the digital photography, particularly in the terms of exposure, lighting, and color theory. In terms of exposure, the use of long exposure technique is skillfully applied to capture the curve and the light trail. The contrast between the dark background and the bright light make the image stand out more and adds a dramatic effect, emphasizing the main subject. For the lighting, artificial lights play a key role in creating dynamic atmosphere. The bright light trail draw visual focus, while shadow contribute to the depth of the composition, making it more engaging. From the color theory perspective, the color palette is hugely effective. The bright while the light trail is paired with a dark background, creating a harmonious contrast that draws the viewer attention to the main element of the image. This color choice also adds a unique sense of the mystery and enhance the overall visual impact. Second, we go to the project 2, which means we capture the beauty of the nature. A series of photography focus on the fleeting nature of the natural phenomena, such as sunset and blooming flowers. The image evokes a sense of the wonder and appreciation for the beauty of the moment. We go to the first picture, with the landscape of the rural area. This image demonstrates an effective application of the basic principle of the digital photography, particularly in terms of exposure, lighting, and color theory. In terms of exposure, the use of the long exposure technique is skillfully applied to the capture to the curve in the light trail. The contrast between the dark background and the light makes the image stand out and more add a dramatic effect. For the light, artificial light play the key role in dynamic atmosphere. Light trail draw the visual focus, while the shadow contribute to the depth of the composition, making it more engaging. For the color theory perspective, the color palette use effectively the bright white, the pair, the background, and the harmonious contrast that shadow viewer attention to the main element of the image. Second, we go to the scenic view of the coastal landscape. This photograph project was carried out at the Pantai Kuala Kebujal, Bachok, with the object of capturing the peaceful and expansive character of coastal landscape. The goal was to highlight the natural beauty of the area while emphasizing the visual contrast between land and sea. The chosen the focus of the harmony created through the iteration of natural element using contrast and the perspective to enhance the visual narrative. The scene was composed to take full advantage of the striking difference between the dense greenery of the shore and the vast, calm and water and the sea. The perspective invites the viewer to appreciate both the ground, texture, quality of the fall and smooth, and the stretch and the ocean. The resulting photograph presents a scenery coastal environment where lush vegetation border and tranquil shoreline, offering a balanced view to capture the richness of the nature diversity. The composition draws the eye across the frame to the tail of the land of the open of the sea, creating a sense of depth and calm. And last we go to project 3. The title was Digital Camera and Software Explorer. A macro photograph project explored the interact detail and learning how to take photo with a digital camera and using computer program to edit and improve the picture. First, we got a stillness in the soft light. This food photograph showcases a careful arranged feast like a setting that balances composition, texture and form. The horizontal line of the wooden table, the circular shape of plate and food items subtly guide the viewer eye through the frame. The mix of circle or rectangle elements such as dishes and camera and the phone act as contrast visual interest, making the image feel lively and intentional. Lighting plays a key role creating depth and dimension, bringing out the unique texture of the food. Crispy fries, creamy pasta, butter tart, and glossy drink highlight the enhance their appeal. The color palette consists of rich brown, green, reds, and floral yellow. It uses a factory evoke an emotion. All elements within the frame and proportion harmonies contribute to a sense of evidence and visual storytelling. From the technique perspective, this image was captured using the ISO was 100 to 400 for the clarity, a shutter speed of 125 over 1 and 250 freeze motion, and the aperture was 5 5.6 to f8 to achieve a balanced depth of field. This image setup ensures that the food remains in sharp focus while preserving background content, resulting in a well-executed and engaging photograph. Second, we got the hockey in motion. This spot photograph captures in the intensity and energy of the hockey match through the strong composition element. Diagonal line from by player links a hockey stick and the body posture create a sense of action and tension, drawing the viewer into the heart of the play. A mix of circular and angular shapes such as a roundness of the ball and helmets again the sharp angles of pen elbows. Extend legs and hockey stick creates a visual engaging rhythm. The handling of the light is excellent, reveal fine detail like a muscle definition, equipment, texture, and the curvature of the body in motion. Contribute to the powerful sense of realism. Texture are richer varies from a matte turf and friction marks to the glossy surface to the protective gear and hockey stick. The color palette features a bold contrast of the purple and red jersey, set against the vibrant blue turf, enhance the visual drama and the theme of definition. The type of comic emphasizes the size and the scale of the player within the frame, immersing the viewer directly into the competitive moment. Technically, the photograph used ISO 400 to 800. The shutter speed was 1/800 per second, while the aperture was f2.8 to f4 to the freeze action, while the maintain is shallow to the moderate depth of field. That's all. Thank you very much.